Good morning, everybody. I'm standing in a 2025 Paradigm 395DS. It was part of our May Brochure as a standout floor plan. And Lisa Brown, this is for you. You requested a video. So I'm going to start in the front, work our way back. In the bedroom right now, king size bed, large closet with washer and dryer hookups in it. And you're going to see all kinds of hidden storage just like this all over this camper. Every Paradigm is standard with 3 air conditioners. So one here, one in the main living area, and one in the back end. You have a nice big bathroom right here, residential size shower, porcelain foot flush toilet, gives you the nice at-home feel, storage in your medicine cabinets. Just looks really nice overall. Take a step down here into the kitchen. So you'll see these beautiful solid countertops right here. Residential sized oven. You can put a turkey in there. Even over here, you have this little flip up thing. You can put a garbage can down there and throw your trash down this hole, go outside and empty it. You don't have to worry about it in here. Residential sized refrigerator. Keep all of your food nice and cold. And a nice big pantry right next to it as well. Adjustable shelves in there, so make all your stuff fit. Theater seats that recline, plus a trifold sofa that will pull out to a bed. You can use this ottoman as a seat at the table or however you like. You do have this nice table over here. Make it a dining table, a desk. It will rotate so you can position it however you need to. And then in this area up here, you see a ladder. We have a nice big loft up there. So that loft includes, TV hookups, storage, great place for your kids. And, this would just give them a great space to sleep in. Then back here is the bonus area, another full bedroom. So you have a second bedroom in here, queen bed, another TV, more hidden storage, and then it also comes with another full bathroom. So take a look back in here, shower, sink, toilet, has everything you need. So this is truly a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fifth wheel. So we'll take a look outside here in a second. Follow me out. All right, we're outside. Again, Paradigm 395DS. She's a big one, 44 feet long, 101-inch wide body, which is the thing on all Paradigms, so it gives you a little more extra space. And here in the pass-through storage, you'll see you have awning and slide-out controls, so you can do everything without stepping inside. You get 2 nice large awnings on this one. And then, of course, we have the new Kurt TCS suspension. If you don't know what it is, look it up. It's a game changer. So thanks for watching today. Come check out this Paradigm at Walnut Ridge.